guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be going through a couple of skincare products that I've recently received, which is why I'm not actually wearing any makeup, because I am going to be going through both of them with you guys today and actually show you guys how they actually work. So both of these products, they are from a brand called Aqua Facial, and this is the first product. So I'm just going to quickly open it up. So this is the Aqua Facial. It is a pore kind of vacuum, but it also hydrates at the same time. So you can put some water in the chambers. So you have two chambers. In one chamber you would put some water, and it hydrates literally at the same time whilst you're sucking out all of the oils and dirt from your pores. And this is the second product which they've kindly sent out, and this is the Sonic Facial Sculptor. So this vibrates, which is why I love this Sculptor. So whilst you're rolling, you're feeling all of the microcurrents at the same time. So what I actually love about Aqua Facial's products is that they're inspired by Korean spa treatments. And we all know Korean treatments are amazing. So what I've been doing for myself personally is using the Aqua Facial first, and then I like to go in with the Sonic Facial Sculptor. Okay, so this is the Aqua Facial. So this is the part where it would suck up everything, and the vacuum is right up here. Then you get two chambers. In one of these chambers you would fill it up with water. The other one you would just leave empty. So when it does suck up everything, the empty chamber will just fill itself up with all of the nasty stuff that it has actually taken out of your skin. And the reason why I actually like to go in with this first is that it does cleanse, like really deep cleanse your skin. It really does plump your skin as well, and it creates this like healthy glow as well afterwards. So hopefully you guys can see over here on the side you get like this indication light which lets you know what level you're on. This actually has 3 levels of suction, and you get like a on and off button and also a charging port. Okay, so inside the box you do actually get like different head attachments. The white one, these ones are actually for sensitive skin. I do actually have one of the white ones attached on the device already. These ones feel a lot more, these ones I think they're made from plastic, so they feel a lot more harder as you're gliding across the skin. I prefer to use this one because it has more of like a silicone-y rubbery feel. And then you also do get like a charging cable to charge your device. Okay guys, so I just filled it up with some water. So with this you have to use filtered water. You can't use any just tap water, it has to be filtered water. So you have one side with water, and then you have another chamber here that doesn't have anything in there to begin with. So as you go along, the empty chamber will actually fill up with all of your dead skin cells and all of that, you know, glorious stuff. So I'm going to just turn it on so you can see. So when it's the green light, that means it's on the lowest setting. The blue light is the middle setting, and the red light is the highest setting. So when I do actually use this, I use it on the lowest setting because my skin's still trying to get used to it. So it's good to start off with the lowest setting, and this does actually like really suck. And another thing, don't keep it on your skin longer than 5 seconds. Not even 5 seconds, don't keep it longer than 2 seconds, especially in certain areas, because it will kind of leave a mark. So there are areas that you should actually avoid. So anywhere where your skin is a little bit thinner, so like underneath your eyes, don't go in with this because it is pretty powerful. So there are a lot of benefits with the Aqua Facial. So what it actually does, it's supposed to over time help reduce and minimize fine lines and wrinkles, any sun damaged skin. It gets rid of dead skin cells, cleans out your pores, refines your pores, gives a radiant glow to your skin as well. So even for congested pores, this works amazing. Like, it's great for taking out all of those blackheads without picking at your skin and leaving those horrible little marks everywhere which take days to clear up. So this actually works amazing at just really like deep cleaning your skin. So I just thought I'd show you how well this device actually does suck. And I'm just going to turn it on, and this is the lowest setting, and then you just have to drag it across, and you can already see that was the lowest setting, but the mark and the redness has already just calmed down, so it wasn't too intense. And then if I turn it up, so this is the medium setting, and we're on the blue light now. So it's sucking, and you just drag that across, and even that didn't leave too much of like a red mark. You can see where I did do it, but it's not that bad. This is the red one, so I'm just gonna put it on, take it across. Like, that is pretty strong. So this is where I just did the red one. So you can see my skin has gone red, but it's not like where it's completely dark red and it's completely bruised or anything like that. And then now you can see like the redness has like completely kind of just almost gone. So with your face, obviously you have to be kind of careful because your skin isn't as thick as the skin on your body. So there are going to be certain areas that you'd want to avoid, or just go and use the lower setting. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to put it onto the lower setting, and what I like to do is just kind of like stretch my skin a little bit so it doesn't get like really stuck into the machine. And I like to like do constant movement, so I don't like to stop at any point because I don't like my skin going too red. So just do a quick like there. So the water that is collected, so you can see the side where it's gone a little bit misty, so that's from all of like my sunscreen and like my skincare products that I've applied earlier on. But I don't know if you can actually see like anything in the actual water. I have actually used this I think 3 days ago, so there shouldn't really be much there, but it does collect a lot of dead skin cells. And then you can see like my skin has gone red. I did have a breakout here. I did actually go over it, so it's fine, nothing actually like happened. It's not going to leave a mark or anything like that, but this redness will calm down and it will go away within like 10 minutes. But instantly you can just really feel like it has been like a deep cleanse. It's such an amazing product. It's like an at-home kind of like mini facial. I actually recommend using this like once a week, but if you actually have like really sensitive skin, then maybe 3 to 4 weeks. But it's great every week, like at-home facial. I actually love it. So I'm gonna go in and do like around my nose area as well. So again, I like to just stretch my skin and then just drag it down. I feel like this actually works amazing. Like on the nose, I see a massive difference, especially like since we've been wearing like masks and stuff as well. I feel like my nose does get quite congested, and this really helps clear all of that up. So on this bit I just like to go down, and then also I like to do my smile line right here, so you can see like the water and hear the water squirting out. Hey guys, so I've zoomed it in quite close, and I don't know if you can see, but I can see like loads of like little bits of like dead skin cells. I think there's even a blackhead in there floating around as well. Like honestly, this device is amazing at just really cleaning your pores. Okay, so I'm just trying to shine my torch on there from my phone to see if it kind of helps for you to see anything floating around in there or not. Hopefully you guys can see it. So I've literally just refilled the water chamber, and hopefully you guys can see that how much already the redness has calmed down on my cheeks, and hopefully you can see the glow that it's kind of left on my skin as well. And already I feel like this side looks a lot more like healthier and plumper compared to this side, and even when I'm touching my skin it feels so smooth and soft, like baby soft. So I'm guessing that this would be amazing for like people that have textured skin or like really dry skin. Like it will really help to smooth everything out. So I'm actually going to go ahead and turn it on, and I'm going to do the other side. So again, I'm just going to stretch my skin, and I'm just going to kind of just slowly get used to it and just glide it across, so you can see how much it really tugs at your skin. And then across at the jawline, I like to kind of like slide it down. I feel like it's a lot more comfortable if I just slide it down my face than go across. Okay, so this is the water that's just come out from the other side of my face, and I have to say this side does have a lot more dead skin cells floating around in there. And I don't know if you guys will be able to see anything. I hope you can, because it really is amazing how much stuff this actually pulls out of your skin. Okay guys, so I literally just finished going over my whole face with this Aqua Facial. The only areas that I didn't do was under my eyes and my forehead. I didn't go in on my forehead because I don't really get any issues on my forehead, and I know that my skin is quite sensitive and fine and thin on my forehead, so it will leave a mark on my forehead. On the rest of my face it works so good. Like, my skin feels so smooth, like you can really feel the difference of before and after, and it's like an instant facial and you get to see the results instantly as well. And then with overtime use it can only get better. So after I've gone in with the Aqua Facial, so this is a time where I like to go in with the Sonic Facial Sculptor, and with that one I've used it like with certain like skincare products, and I feel like the drier your skin is, it works a lot more better. So this is the actual Sonic Facial Sculptor. So it has like these two sculpting balls at the top, which I believe you can remove, and then you can put it in the fridge, and then it'll be nice and cool when you do go to use it. But with this one it's a lot more different. So this one you can actually turn it on here, but if you just turn it at the bottom, that's how you just turn it on, and then you just turn it to switch it back off again. So when you actually turn it on, it vibrates and it sends like loads of microcurrents to help like really sculpt that area. This, I feel like it really helps to shape, sculpt and contour like your cheeks, and I feel like with this it works best on like when your skin's not really like moisturized, so it has to be a little bit drier. So before I actually go ahead and use this, I just want to quickly mention, straight after using Aqua Facial I haven't actually put any products on my face, and my skin doesn't feel like tight or dry or anything like that, and I have like quite dry cheek areas, and I always feel the need to like quickly top up on my toner and my moisturizer before my skin gets like really dry. But after using the Aqua Facial I really don't feel like that. All I feel is like a baby smooth soft skin. So I'm just going to start on the inner part of my cheeks, and I like to like kind of just drag this up. I'm not putting too much pressure, just a little bit pressure, but honestly this feels so amazing and relaxing. It literally just feels like a facial massage, and this is supposed to mimic like the kneading motions that they do in facial massages as well, and you can really actually feel it. So with this one, it's something that you use, and then over time you're supposed to see quite a bit of an improvement. I don't think this is going to be something that you're going to see like instant results with 100%. You might see some sort of toning or something, but this is something that you're supposed to achieve over time, and it's supposed to really help to sculpt and tighten and firm up your face. It's also good for like if you have any swelling or puffiness in your face as well. So sometimes when you wake up in the morning and you feel like your face is a little bit puffy, this is actually great for kind of like just depuffing. And like I mentioned before, if you put the roller ball ends into the fridge as well, that would actually like really help to kind of like really freshen and kind of just wake up your skin. So just going ahead and doing the other side now. This helps like really contour the cheeks. I love it for the cheek area. I can really feel it like hugging and gripping onto my cheekbone. So I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but I like to do this. I like to just go down my nose as well. So I've actually been using this for quite a few days now, and I have to say I see like a slight improvement on this side. I can see like the contour in my cheek area a lot more better. So I do feel like with over time this would really like help to firm your skin and really sculpt your cheeks and even like your jawline. I don't really have like much of an issue like with my jawline. I feel like my jawline is quite strong and prominent already, so I don't really have much of an issue with my jawline. But with my cheeks, I love the way that it just feels. It just grips onto your cheeks. So I do feel like this will work amazing over time and really define the cheekbones. So both of these products, I feel like they work amazing together, and it's such a great way to like give yourself like an at-home mini facial, little spa treatment. because let's face it, during lockdown we haven't been able to go anywhere or get any treatments done. And if that is you, if you're not able to go out to get any like facial treatments done, I highly recommend using these products. Just trying them out, like they really do like firm up and deep clean your skin. You can see a difference. Hopefully you guys can see the glow. So with the Aqua Facial, I would actually use this once a week, and with the Sonic Facial Sculptor, I like to use this every night. I love using this in like my bedtime, nighttime skincare routine. It's so relaxing to use before bedtime, and it's such a great way to like pamper yourself, and you just know you're gonna wake up to firmer skin. Guys, so that was it for my K Facial product review, and I hope you guys enjoyed it because I actually love these products so much. So the redness has like calmed down, I would say, like a lot. I still have like a little bit here, but I'm not too worried about it. I know that it will like go away pretty soon, but my skin is like super sensitive anyway. Even if I was to just wash my face, it will just go bright red. So I know this is just gonna calm down, but I love how like clean it does make my skin look. I do feel like my skin looks a lot more cleaner, and especially like the texture around my nose is a lot more smoother than it was before, and my skin just feels like really plump and hydrated. So I really do hope you guys do check them out and give their products a try, because it really is worth it. Okay, so make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.